Oh, oh, there it is. Oh shit, it's TMZ. Is it him? Is it Harry?
Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong.
What's going on? Got the car loaded. You see it. She's loaded up. Now it's time to get to the shop. APP. I need to get used to like holding this thing out a little further, I guess. Get to the shop. APP. Time to... I fucked up again. Time to get this baby installed. Yes. The brand new... Look at me when I'm talking to you. Brand new tuck radiator kit, Y-wire, CSF, K-tune. It's a combination of parts. Doesn't matter. It's all going to come together. Notice that the kit didn't come with a cap. Didn't know you had to include the cap. The picture had a cap on the damn filler neck. Thought it came with a cap. It doesn't. So we're going to try to get this car up here. We're not going to try. We are going to get this vehicle up here, get this installed, see how it looks. It's probably going to take about a week, so I'm going to have to do a return video. But let's go ahead, get it up. Should be seen. I'm also making the video about the race ramps, which are very important to have. I'm trying to tell you, watch that video too. But let's go ahead and get cranking. I got to get out of here. Be responsible. Secure the cargo. Seatbelts, please. So we got everything loaded. We're ready to head out. Wife's with me today. It's my birthday. We're doing car shit, so that's fun. So it's funny. My neighbor pulls up as we're getting ready to pull off, and he's like, "What's wrong with the car?" And that's the question I typically get, but nothing's wrong with it. But they're like, "That car goes to the shop more than a regular car." Oh shit, that trailer's up there on the curb. I'm trailer core parking, core park trailer. How would you say that? Trailer core? Trailer core. Parkour, trailer core. But anyway, they're like, that car goes to the shop more than down average vehicles, but it's not broke. You just can't stop doing upgrades. You gotta do upgrades. We're trying to get ready for the show season. I'm trying to come out with some new wrinkles. So yeah, she's gotta go. And yes, she gets put on a trailer when she goes. No need to put unnecessary miles all the way up there. We're already going to get an upgrade. No need to add unnecessary bullshit like the potholes that the Atlanta DOT refuses to fix, bending up these damn $4,500 damn rims. You don't want that, right? Hell no. So yeah, put it on the trailer, take it up there to the shop, ride it around when you want to enjoy it. And I hate to see these gray clouds in the sky. It was supposed to be sunny today. I do not want it to rain because alongside those race ramps, I don't give a shit. These trailers wet suck ass. And let me tell you, they are fucking horrible. But it is better to get a car off the trailer when it's wet than trying to get that shit on. That shit's a beast. I hate it. So yeah, let's get up here. Gonna get to APP, get this damn radiator kit unloaded. And I also will still be working on the race ramp video, so don't forget to check that out. I'm doing 2 videos at once. I'm multitasking, tritasking, quadtasking, whatever you want to call it, octatasking. So yeah, we're out. All right, I'm gonna have this conversation. Usually I don't do a bunch of talking during transport and all the B-roll about the city and all that shit, but I'm gonna say this. We were coming through downtown and there was a Challenger. Decided to be tunnel happy. You all know what I mean by tunnel happy. You got exhaust profile, you rev your exhaust, it echoes off the sound of the tunnel, makes the car sound 10 times better than it really is. The thing is, there's nothing good, and you don't make a V6 sound any better than it already sounds, because it sounds like ass. When you buy a true muscle inspired car, you don't buy it in the V6. If you buy it in the V6, that tells me something about you. You really don't know shit about cars, probably don't really think about cars. You saw it and you said, wow, that car looks cute, I'm gonna buy it. But oh, I don't want a V8, I just want the V6, I just want the body. That's bullshit. I don't care if you buy a Challenger, a Charger, a Mustang, and I'm not even a big Mustang fan, because I always say every fast Mustang that's reliable at the track has a Chevy motor in it. You buy a Camaro, you don't buy the V6 version. You're sitting short for a few reasons, and here's why. 1, your exhaust sounds like ass. It doesn't sound like performance. 2, when you come to the light and you think that you're about to do something, and then a true V8 Challenger, Camaro, Mustang, Charger pulls up, I know you feel some kind of way about yourself. You gotta feel like, I need to sit down and chill out. Don't rev, don't do nothing. Matter of fact, when the light turns green, give him the hit. Let him take off first, because you're not winning that battle. And another thing is, it just ain't great. I mean, why do you want that? Why do you want a V6 true V8 muscle-inspired vehicle? I know they make it, but you don't have to buy it. Just think about that. Think about your life before you do that. If you're gonna buy a V6 Challenger, you just need to go buy the new Honda Accord. It's better for you to do that. Go buy the new Honda Civic. Go buy a damn Nissan or Infiniti. Don't just put your money elsewhere and put your ego aside, because it really sucks ass when I see you people do that. I'm just gonna say that. I just had to come online and say that. So I'm here at the shop. Eric's here at the shop. The stuntman's here at the shop. Harry's not here at the shop. He's not here. But anyway, we're gonna go into this. So we're going to get rid of this radiator, get rid of the fans, get rid of the hoses, and the thermostat housing is gonna go, but the hardware's gonna stay. And where's the other one? Thermostat housing, and that's gonna go. All right, we're gonna get all that swapped out, take the new radiator, which will be tucked and pushed up into the nose, and definitely overall should give the engine bay a aesthetically more open look and focus more on the motor, which is pretty good because that's the centerpiece. And just it'll declutter the engine bay a little bit too. You'll see that. So Eric, what are you doing right now? What were you just doing with your phone there? With the phone?
Looking at my time.
The time. He's looking at the time.
Harrison is.
There it is. I told you. I told you.
Harry's always late.
See? 2 videos in. Is that not what I say? So we're gonna go over what we're gonna do to the car, but that's basically it. We're gonna have talk time. Talk time is not for you all motherfuckers to hear what we gotta talk about more than car shit. Oh, there it is. Oh shit, it's TMZ. The unicorn has showed up, babe. The unicorn. Oh shit. Is it him? Is it Harry? Is that you, Harry? Harry, what's up, buddy?
Yo, that's like a record early.
I know, man. How are you? Come on in. Come on in.
That's like a record early.
Oh my gosh, he's here. The myth, the legend, the Harry.
Before 11.
Before
11.
Before. It's probably 1 minute and 30 seconds before, but
Hey, man.
is it?
I'll take it.
There you go. There you go.
It's gonna be a good day today.
It might be a good day. So listen, y'all, that's it.
We might get something done.
Oh no. We're gonna come back up after they get this in here. We're gonna do the same video, keep it rolling. So this video, by the time it comes out, you'll also see.
Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong.